In today's video, I'll teach you how to change Glovo app language. First of all, launch open Glovo application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. You can see over here right now English language is selected. So if you want to change the language, for that what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the profile interface. Due to privacy and security reason, this interface cannot be recorded, but in this interface you'll be able to find various options over here. At fourth, you'll be able to find the option for language. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the language interface. In the preferred language section, you can see over here right now English is selected, so simply tap on it. Now if you want to change the language, you'll be able to find whole bunch of language options over here. Tap on the language that you would like to change to. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the app language has been changed. So that is how you change Glovo app language. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.